Hey, beautiful people! Welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into all things skincare and wellness. Are you unknowingly damaging your skin? It's a question many of us don't think about, but it's crucial to consider. We all want that healthy, radiant glow, but sometimes the things we do to achieve it can actually have the opposite effect. From using the wrong products to not understanding our skin type, there are many pitfalls. It's true, and it's more common than you might think. People of all ages and skin types can fall into these traps, often without realizing it. Welcome to NutriVision, your skincare sanctuary. Here, we believe in nurturing your skin with the best practices and products. I'm Juma Das, and I'm dedicated to helping you achieve your best skin ever. With years of experience in dermatology and holistic health, I'm here to guide you on this journey. We're all about taking a holistic approach to skincare, understanding that what we put into our bodies is just as important as what we put on them. A balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals can do wonders for your skin. So, if you're ready to ditch the damaging habits and embrace a skincare routine that truly nourishes your skin from the inside out, you've come to the right place. It's time to clear out those harmful products and make room for a routine that works. Today, we're diving deep into the 7 most common skin-damaging mistakes, and more importantly, how to fix them. From over-exfoliating to neglecting sunscreen, we'll cover it all. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to transform your skincare routine and achieve that glowing, healthy skin you've always wanted. Let's start with over-exfoliating. While exfoliation is essential for removing dead skin cells, doing it too often can strip your skin of its natural oils, leading to dryness and irritation. We'll show you the right way to exfoliate for your skin type. Next, let's talk about sunscreen. Many people skip this crucial step, but protecting your skin from UV rays is vital. We'll discuss the best types of sunscreen and how to incorporate them into your daily routine. Hydration is another key factor. Drinking enough water and using hydrating products can make a significant difference in your skin's appearance and health. We'll share tips on how to stay hydrated inside and out. And don't forget about sleep. Your skin repairs itself while you rest, so getting enough quality sleep is crucial. We'll give you some tips on how to improve your sleep hygiene for better skin health. Finally, we'll cover the importance of using gentle products and avoiding harsh chemicals. Your skin deserves the best care, and we'll help you choose products that are kind to your skin. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to avoid these common mistakes and embrace a skincare routine that truly works for you. So let's get started on this journey to healthier, happier skin together. Let's talk about exfoliation, shall we? Exfoliation is a crucial step in any skincare routine, but it's important to understand how to do it correctly to avoid damaging your skin. It's great for sloughing away dead skin cells and revealing a brighter complexion. When done properly, exfoliation can help your skin look fresh and radiant. But here's the thing, too much of a good thing can be a bad thing. Over-exfoliating can lead to a host of skin issues that you definitely want to avoid. Over-exfoliating can strip away your skin's natural oils, leaving it feeling dry, irritated, and even more prone to breakouts. Your skin's natural barrier is there for a reason, and when it's compromised, it can lead to sensitivity and inflammation. Think of it like this. You wouldn't scrub your face with sandpaper, right? Using harsh exfoliants can be just as damaging as using sandpaper on your delicate facial skin. Harsh exfoliants can be just as damaging. They can cause micro tears in the skin, leading to long-term damage and making your skin more susceptible to environmental stressors. So, how often should you exfoliate? It's a common question with a nuanced answer. It depends on your skin type, but generally, 2 to 3 times a week is a good rule of thumb. If you have sensitive skin, you might want to stick to once a week, while those with oily skin might benefit from more frequent exfoliation. And when you do exfoliate, be gentle. Use light, circular motions and avoid pressing too hard. Your skin should feel refreshed, not raw. Look for chemical exfoliants with AHAs or BHAs, which are gentler than physical scrubs. These ingredients work by dissolving the bonds between dead skin cells, making it easier to wash them away without the need for abrasive scrubbing. And always follow up with a hydrating serum and moisturizer to replenish your skin's moisture barrier. This step is crucial to ensure that your skin remains balanced and hydrated after exfoliation. Remember, healthy skin is hydrated skin. So the next time you reach for that exfoliant, remember to be kind to your skin. A little goes a long way, and your skin will thank you for it. Happy exfoliating! Okay folks, let's talk about the big one, sun protection. It's something we often overlook, but it's absolutely crucial for maintaining healthy skin. I cannot stress this enough. Wearing SPF every single day is non-negotiable. Whether you're heading to the beach or just running errands, your skin needs that protective barrier. UV rays from the sun are one of the biggest culprits behind premature aging, hyperpigmentation, and even skin cancer. These rays can damage your skin cells, leading to wrinkles, dark spots, and in severe cases, melanoma. Think of sunscreen as your skin's personal bodyguard, shielding it from those harmful rays. It's like wearing an invisible armor that keeps your skin safe and healthy. And don't just reserve it for sunny days. UV rays can penetrate clouds, so even on overcast days, your skin is vulnerable. Many people make the mistake of skipping sunscreen when it's cloudy, but that's a big no-no. Look for a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher, and apply it liberally to all exposed skin, even your ears and neck. These areas are often forgotten, but are just as susceptible to sun damage. Reapply every 2 hours, especially after swimming or sweating. Water and sweat can wash away sunscreen, leaving your skin unprotected. So keep that bottle handy and make it a habit to reapply. Remember, protecting your skin from the sun is the best investment you can make in your future self. Healthy, youthful skin doesn't just happen. It's a result of consistent care and protection. So make sunscreen a part of your daily routine, and your skin will thank you for years to come. In addition to sunscreen, consider wearing protective clothing like wide-brimmed hats, sunglasses, and long sleeves when you're out in the sun. These extra measures can provide additional layers of protection. Also, keep an eye on the UV index in your area. Many weather apps provide this information, and it can help you plan your day and take extra precautions when UV levels are high. Don't forget those hard-to-reach areas like your back. Ask for help or use a sunscreen stick to ensure every part of your body is covered. No spot should be left unprotected. By taking these steps, you're not just protecting your skin, you're enhancing your overall well-being. Healthy skin boosts your confidence and allows you to enjoy outdoor activities without worry. Make sunscreen application a ritual. Apply it in the morning, reapply in the afternoon, and even consider a light application before bed if you've been exposed to the sun all day. Consistency is key. Incorporate sunscreen into your daily skincare routine. It's just as important as cleansing and moisturizing. Think of it as the final step that seals in all the goodness and protects your skin from harm. So embrace the habit of sun protection. Your future self will thank you for the care and attention you give to your skin today. Stay protected, stay radiant, and enjoy the sunshine responsibly. Our skin is delicate, and it deserves to be treated with kindness. Harsh products, like those containing sulfates, alcohol, and fragrances, can disrupt your skin's natural pH balance, leading to dryness, irritation, and breakouts. It's like using a blowtorch to light a candle. Way too harsh. Instead, opt for gentle, pH-balanced cleansers and moisturizers that won't strip your skin of its natural oils. Look for ingredients like ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide, which are all incredibly hydrating and soothing for the skin. Remember, skincare should never feel like a punishment. Choose products that make your skin feel loved and pampered. We all love a good full-face makeup look, but removing it properly is just as important as applying it. Sleeping with makeup on is a recipe for disaster, clogging pores, causing breakouts, and even leading to premature aging. Think of it like this: you wouldn't go to bed with your dishes in the sink, right? Treat your skin with the same respect. Double cleansing is your best friend here. Start with an oil-based cleanser to break down makeup, and then follow up with a gentle, water-based cleanser to remove any remaining residue. Your skin will thank you for it. Let's talk about pH balance, my friends. Our skin has a naturally acidic pH, which helps to protect it from bacteria and other environmental aggressors. When our skin's pH is disrupted, it can lead to a whole host of problems, like dryness, irritation, and breakouts. Think of it like a seesaw. We need to keep our skin's pH balanced to maintain its healthy function. Using harsh products, over-exfoliating, and even diet can all throw our skin's pH out of whack. Look for products that are formulated to be pH balanced, and consider incorporating a toner into your routine to help restore your skin's natural pH. Alright guys, let's talk about smoking. We all know it's bad for our health, but did you know it's also terrible for our skin? Smoking constricts blood vessels, which reduces blood flow to the skin, depriving it of oxygen and nutrients. This can lead to premature aging, wrinkles, and a dull, lifeless complexion. And it's not just smoking itself that's the problem. Secondhand smoke can be just as damaging. If you're a smoker, I urge you to consider quitting for the sake of your health and your skin. There are so many resources available to help you quit, so please don't hesitate to reach out for support. Last but not least, let's talk about consistency. When it comes to skincare, consistency is key. It's not about finding a magic product that will transform your skin overnight. It's about establishing a routine and sticking to it. Think of it like working out. You wouldn't expect to see results after just one gym session, right? The same goes for skincare. It takes time and consistency to see real, lasting results. Find a routine that works for you and your skin type and make it a non-negotiable part of your day. Your skin will thank you for it in the long run. Thank you for watching. I hope you found these tips helpful. Remember, achieving healthy, radiant skin is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself, be kind to your skin, and never underestimate the power of a good skincare routine. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to NutriVision for more skincare tips and tricks. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, stay beautiful.